Did you do all the steps in transformation so far? If so, then you are ready to complete the design of your new course. Recall I told you that the instruction unit was the most important item in a learning plan. Introduction, knowledge, exercises, and application. We are returning to this item now that your tasking strategy has been developed for your course. How do you apply all your insights and skills gained so far? And in this Finding Learning task, we weave together several threads of the learning path we have explored into a recognizable whole. Be sure you understand these by studying the text. I only introduce these to you. The questions are: 1. On the introduction, how do you prepare your students for what is coming? Online learning handbooks all emphasize the immense importance of very good introductions. Please see our recommendations on this. 2. On knowledge. Which specific ways of mastering knowledge have you chosen for your students? Many schools believe students have different ways of learning, and it is indeed clever to involve separate learning styles. But we highly recommend that students are provided with tried and true ways of learning. And if some still have learning difficulties, that you engage in well-designed tutoring to help them solve their learning problems. 3. On exercises, have you adjusted for learning style? Previously, we talked about instructional patterns you do in your course. Now we talk about learning style you expect your students to follow. Will you, after an introduction, merely give them the knowledge items to master, or will you make an extra effort to provide a broader orientation or install reflection exercises? Please see our recommendations on this and make a good decision on this matter. 4. On application. How will you add formative assessments to your course? Giving students opportunities to self-assess is a quality belonging to what we consider as the highest standard. Often it is no more than redesigning exams you have previously used. Use the old ones to your students' advantage in designing self-testing exercises. It truly helps them to understand what and why they need to prepare themselves for your course. Highly recommended. This is the final clip for you to watch in Course 2. You can design instruction now, and you are ready to apply tutoring as covered in Course 3. Yes, we do not consider your course as sufficiently transformed until you have done Course 3 on tutoring. Thank you for your attention.